This problem is Tecno is 40. This phone problem is I forget my password. Now today I'll show you how to hard reset in this phone. If you want to hard reset in this phone, at first you turn off your phone. Try again in 29 seconds. I forget my password. This phone model Tecno is 40. I turn off my phone and press power off. Wait few seconds. When your phone is now totally power off properly, you just press power button 5 seconds and I press power button 5 seconds. When press power button 5 seconds, same time I press volume up button. Press power button 5 seconds and press volume up button and unpress when show Techno logo and powered by Android. I unpress the power button and press volume button up button and show recovery option and you see volume down button. Press again and see web data factory reset. Use the selected text and press power button and see web factory data reset and press volume down button and again press power button and weaving data. When weaving data complete, you can see an option called reboot now. Formatting data and you see reboot system now. You just press power button and your phone is now reboot and you see Techno wait 5 minutes or 3 minutes. You can see new options. I skip this video. Show Techno logo. You not turn off your phone when that reset complete and you see Techno logo. Wait few seconds. Wait few seconds. See hello and you see select the text any and select your language, select your country, click next, click skip is next, click is next and checking for your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Click don't copy and wait few seconds. Checking in for wait few seconds again, click skip and Google services, click more accept and wait few seconds, click OK and getting your phone ready. Wait few seconds and you can see next and you just click on this option called next and click skip, getting your phone ready and you can see iOS. Now your phone get ready, click get ready and your phone is now getting to ready to use. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.